Alright, again, great day everyone. Happy time zone sa atin lahat. Again, itong pag-uusapan natin is something na malaki ang tulong sa akin, lalo na nakapag-expand talaga ng utak ko. Kaya somehow at the early age of 31, medyo masasabi ko na din na by God's grace, marami din tayong narating, no? Hindi naman sa pagbubuhat ng sariling bangko, but because of this, very open tayo, kaya may nangyayari. Okay? Now, again, sana walang matutulog kasi this is something na hindi ka sasayaw, hindi entertainment, hindi ka matatawa, pero I can say this is something of value. Okay? All right, let me pull up my slides. There you go. Mamaya pala guys, magpapalaro tayo, no? Makinig kayo kasi mamaya may mga pa-games tayo. And may pakonting ano tayo, pakonting freebies tayo mamaya sa mga mananalo. All right? So guys, eto na. Okay? Start smart. Ito yung mga foundations ng financial markets. Okay? Now, money grows where you plant it. That is why choose your soil wisely. Okay? Now, Coach, bakit pag-uusapan natin yung financial markets? Simply because, no, hindi to dinidiscuss sa school, 'di ba? This is something na dapat nating dapat nating alam na kinder pa, elementary or high school, pero ewan ko lang, no? Ewan ko lang sa educational system natin kung bakit to hindi dinidiscuss. Na ito sana yung mga topic na pwedeng makapagpa-asenso ng buhay natin. So ito yung mga pag-uusapan natin. Why financial markets, types of financial markets, type of traders in the market, and the pillars of successful traders in the market. Okay? Ayos tayo doon. Bibilisan ko lang to guys kasi alam ko magte-trade pa kayo with Abdallah this 9:30. Ako din. Okay? Now, what is a financial market? Okay? Ano ba yung anong Tagalog ng market? Sige nga, type mo dyan, comment na dyan. Tagalog ng market. Tagalog ng market, guys. Help me. Anong Tagalog? Wala bang nagta-type? Exchange? Pwede. Palengke. Merkado. 'Di ba? Ano ba sa Bisaya ang market? Sa amin kasi alam ko sa Bisaya, market din eh. Merkado. Pamilihan, talipapa, yan, gusto ko yan, talipapa. Meron ding term sa amin yan, sa Bisaya, pamilihan. Alright, now, read this with me, okay? Gusto ko, ayaw ko yung inaantok kayo. Sabayan niyo ako, okay? Basahin natin together. 1, 2, 3, go. A financial market is a place or system where buyers and sellers trade financial assets like stocks, bonds, currencies, forex, and derivatives. These markets help connect people who need money. Mga tao kailangan ng pera, like businesses, governments, like us, with those who have money to invest, like individuals or institutions. In short, guys, bilihan to ng pera, bilihan ng investments, exchange of currencies. Kung nasanay tayo on a physical aspect na ang bilihan is may mga isda, may mga bigas, may mga karne, 'di ba? Ano pa? Basically, on the financial market, ang andon is merong cryptocurrency, merong stock market, nagbebenta sila ng shares ng mga kumpanya, merong nagbebenta ng mga currencies, Euro USD, CAD USD, may mga commodities, gold. Okay? Kaya nauubos yung gold natin sa Pilipinas eh. 'Di ba? Now, this is not something we're used to. Kasi ang alam lang natin merkado eh. Doon tayo kikita, may iba, dalawa lang kasi in the market eh. Either you're a buyer or you're a seller. Okay? Either you're a buyer or you're a seller. Okay? So, dalawa yan. Okay? On a normal basis, okay? On a normal basis, sa merkado, on the physical market, ang yumayaman sino? The buyers or the sellers? Sa merkado, guys, okay, may mga nagta-type dito. Wait lang ha. Disable ko lang. Alright. Now, guys, on the normal basis, like sa Wait lang ha. Sa merkado, sino ang marami ang pera? Ang nagbebenta or ang bumibili? Sellers. Alright? So, that's on the physical or nakasanayan natin sa market. Alright? But on the other hand, dito, okay, medyo na lang, hindi ko makita yung sarili ko guys. Wait lang ha. Dito guys, sa pinag-uusapan natin, dalawa. Pwede kang kumita as buyer, pwede ka din kumita as seller. Okay? But ang question is, bakit ko naman aaralin yan, coach? Ayaw ko nga ng business class eh. Ayaw ko nga ng ano to, math, no? Ayaw na ayaw ko yan. Alam mo ba, ang mga bagay na pwedeng magpabago ng buhay mo is nasa mga bagay na ayaw mong gawin. Kaya hindi nagbabago yung buhay natin because we are very used to doing things na nakasanayan na natin. And growth and success comes when you go out from your comfort zone. Okay? Sanay ka magtrabaho, trabaho ka lang ng trabaho. Okay naman yan. Pero nanonotice mo, ganun pa din. Okay? Sanay ka sa isang bagay, paulit-ulit, walang pagbabago. So, bakit siya magandang aralin? Kasi this is something new. And you know what, guys? Times are changing. Kung hindi ka mag-a-adapt, okay? Kung hindi ka mag-a-adapt, mapag-iiwanan ka talaga. Okay? Now, number one, why learn? Simple lang. Did you know that financial markets it's taught in high-paying schools like the LSU, Enduran, UST, UP, di ba? Sikat ba yan ng mga schools? Yes. Did you know, etong pinag-uusapan natin ngayon guys, sa De La Salle University, nasa around 70,000 to 90,000, 70,000 to 90,000 per trimester lang naman to. Okay lang ba? Imagine, ang mahal pala nito. Bakit hindi natin to pinag-uusapan sa eskwelahan? Bakit yung x plus y is equals to, di ba? Hinahanap pa natin yung find x, di ba? X na nga eh, hinahanap pa natin. Paulit-ulit, tapos pag bumili ka sa Jollibee, hindi naman, hindi man naman nagagamit. Di ba? Wherein, ito naman, pinag-uusapan sa mga mamahaling eskwelahan. Sa Inderan, guys, sa Inderan, sila, if you're familiar with Catherine Bernardo, did you know na etong college na to, or itong school na to, per year or per sem ata, if I'm not mistaken, nasa 500,000 lang naman yung tuition fee nila. Okay? But for a 10 weeks program, na hindi, for sure, hindi naman araw-araw yung klase nila, that's 79,000 pesos. Pero hindi ka pwedeng kumuha ng course na to pag hindi ka graduate or professional with at least 2 years of work experience. Kasi nga, hindi to pinag-uusapan sa labas. Hindi to pinag-uusapan on a normal basis. UST, 50 to 70,000 per semester. UP, 40 to 60,000. No wonder, guys. No wonder. These people na andito sa mga high-paying schools na to, didn't you notice sila lang din or yung pamilya lang din nila yung mayaman dito sa Pilipinas? And it seems unfair because we cannot afford those, 'di ba? Kaya napakaswerte natin ngayon sa community na to under the leadership of Coach Nars na talagang alam mo 'yun, 'di ba? This is beyond the scope of our academy, but pinag-uusapan natin to educate everyone. And I love the mission na imagine ikaw mismo as a parent, pwede mo tong ituro sa anak mo, sa kapatid mo, sa pamilya mo, na ma-appreciate din nila ang isang bagay na ayaw mo din dati. Na baka ayaw din nila, wala lang nakapagpaintindi sa kanila. Alright? Second, bakit mo aaralin? For you to grow your money. Sino dito gustong madagdagan yung pera nila? Sino dito gusto na kahit hindi ka magtrabaho ng 1-2 taon, alam mo mabubuhay ka? Okay? Sino dito gusto na wala ng utang? Sino dito gusto na at least, 'di ba, yung mga moments na instead nagtatrabaho ka, you spend time with your family. Okay? You know what? If there's something you can't buy in life, it's time. And paano mo siya mabibili? Hindi mo siya mabibili ng pera eh. Kahit anong gawin mo. Pag wala na yung oras, you cannot rewind. But you can find ways na yung pagtatrabahuan mo on the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until 10 years, pwede mo nang pagbayaran ngayon. Pwede mo nang i-advance. Imagine, ina-advance mo na lahat ng sahod mo on the next 10 years on the first year of doing financial or involving in financial markets. Why? Simple lang. Ito lang guys. Maganda siya for exponential income. Okay? Ano yung exponential income, coach? When you say kasi, dalawa kasi yan eh. Either linear or exponential. Okay? Sa linear, guys, fixed price ka or fixed income ka. But when it comes to exponential, multiple times dinodoble-doble yung kitaan mo. Exponential. Okay? May chance lumaki. Now, if you're someone na nagtatrabaho ka, well, congratulations. Kasi you have a source of income where you can sustain your life, no? Sustaining lang. But if you want to go out there, if pagod ka na sa routine, if pagod ka na sa tinatawag nila na rat race, gigising, magtatrabaho, uuwi, matutulog. Gigising, magtatrabaho, uuwi, matutulog. Ang question is, habang buhay ka ba papayag na ganyan na lang? 'Di ba hindi? Now, you have to understand this. Kaya hindi tayo excited matuto ng mga bagong bagay kasi iniisip natin, ganun pa din. But when I understood the power of exponential income, guys, ako mismo, sabi ko, aaralin ko to. 'Di ba? Kasi kung pinayaman ko nga yung boss ko sa pagiging empleyado, ginagawa ko lahat para sa boss ko. Why not? Ibigay ko din yung best ko para sa sarili ko. And when I saw this, tingnan nyo guys ha, if you're working and your fixed income, no? Kita ba? Pwede nyo i-zoom in yan guys ha. If you're on the phone, pwede nyo i-zoom in yan. Pwede nyo i-zoom in, pwede nyo i-screenshot. And this is really an eye-opener to me. Ito yung isang bagay talaga na masasabi ko na kapag pa-open ng utak ko. If you're having a fixed income, 30,000 a month ka, that's good. Okay? Andito yung months, 36 months. Andito yung option 1, which is the linear income, that's 30,000 per month. And the option 2 is what we call the exponential income. Okay? Now, if you're doing or you're into the financial market, kunwari, nagte-trade ka ng crypto, forex, stocks, no? Nagsimula ka on the first month, kinita mo is 0.01 pesos. Naku po. For sure, pagtatawanan ka ng mga kakilala mo, ano nga ba? Baliw ka na ata. 0.01 lang yung kinita mo sa unang buwan mo. Parang ano ka naman dyan ha? Para kang tanga, 'di ba? Sorry for the word ha. Tama ba? No? Now, pero on the second month, tingnan nyo guys. 30,000, may 30,000 yung kaibigan mo, ikaw din may 30,000, pero ikaw dinagdag mo yung pag-aaral sa financial markets. On the second month, 0.02. Nako po. Exponential to the power of 2. But notice this. Tingnan nyo guys, i-zoom in nyo ha. On the first year, nagte-30,000 kayo ng friend mo, pero ikaw, pag uwi mo sa bahay, nag-aaral ka, tinitingnan mo, nag-o-observe ka sa trades, nag-o-observe ka sa market, no? Every month ginagawa, every day ginagawa mo. Now, on the first year, if you notice, nag-30,000 kayo, habang yung friend mo nag-e-enjoy, pagka-uwi, gumagala, pagka-uwi, nagne-Netflix, pagka-uwi, nagti-TikTok, ikaw, nag-aaral, nagtitingin-tingin sa market kung ano yung magandang i-buy and sell sa financial markets. Guys, imagine on the first year, parang kikita ka lang ng nasa around 50 pesos. First year. Kaya mo ba? 1 year, 50 pesos. For sure, pagtatawanan ka ng kaibigan mo, sabi ko sa'yo, scam yan eh. Sabi ko sa'yo, aral-aral ka ng crypto, di ba? Para kang tanga, isang taon, wala namang nangyari sa buhay mo. Sabi, yayaman ka. Di ba? Sabi, yan na yung pag-asa sa buhay mo. Gets mo? Pero tingnan nyo guys, zoom in nyo ulit. Zoom in nyo ulit on the 23rd month. 23rd month, magkano na ba? 23rd month, magkano niya? Yung fixed income yung dalawa magkapareha. Pero on the 23rd month, if you zoom it in, since exponential yan, yung 0.01 pesos mo, posibleng maging 41,943. Habang yung barkada mo, yung pamilya mo, yung mga tao na nakapalibot sa'yo, pinagtatawanan ka kasi bumibili ka ng Bitcoin, nagte-trade ka sa Forex, bumibili ka ng mga shares sa stocks. Habang sila, pinagtatawanan ka, nag-e-enjoy sila sa buhay nila, ikaw naglalaan ka ng 1 to 2 hours extra after your work or your vacant time. Okay lang ba? Meron ka ng 41,000. Pero that's gonna be on the second year. Almost 24 months na. But look at this guys. Imagine, on the exactly second year, 24th month, you're already earning 83,000 pesos. That means, yung almost 3 months mo na sahod, pwede mo nang kitain in 1 month time. Extra mong ginagawa on your spare time. Nakita nyo? But remember this, since this is an exponential income na ginagawa mo on the side, on the 36 month, that's 3 years of doing this on the side, inaaral mo, nagbibigay ka ng oras, instead maubos yung oras mo sa ibang bagay na hindi naman nagdadagdag ng pera sa'yo. Can you just imagine if nag-stick ka lang sa linear income mo, which is a stable job mo, 1 million plus lang yung kikitain mo. But, if nag-consider ka, can you just imagine, after 3 years, you have the opportunity to earn at least 680 million pesos. Guys, kahit na lang wag 680, siguro kahit 10% na lang yan, that is 6 million pesos. Anong pwedeng mabago ng pera na yan sa buhay mo? But remember guys, the money is the result of how you think and how you execute what you've learned. Nagigets nyo? Hindi lang puro entertainment, hindi lang puro chismis, hindi lang puro rant or Rafi Tulfo. Sorry kasi minsan may iba pang paano nila yan di ba? Hindi pwede negativity lang yung ini-entertain mo. Exert ka ng extra. Question, sinong gusto niyan? Sinong gusto na makita yung buhay nila on the next 3 years na magiging ganyan yung kitaan? Type naman dyan, number 1. Alright. Ayan, may mga nakikita ko nagtatype. How about yung iba? Alam nyo, simple lang. Ask and you shall receive. Seek and you shall find. Kaya hindi pa binibigay siguro sa atin. Sa'yo, baka hindi mo pa din gusto. Gustuhin mo. Kaya ginusto ko to guys, ayaw na ayaw ko to. Pero nung time na naintindihan ko na malaki yung pwede kong kitain dito, sabi ko sarili ko, kahit hindi ko gusto, gugustuhin ko. Kasi sabi nga, it's not about doing what you love, but it's about loving what you do. Alright? I hope nakita nyo at maging ma-open yung utak nyo dahil dito sa pinakita ko sa inyo. Alright? Now, let's proceed. Okay? What are the types of financial markets? Okay? Actually, napakarami. Pero, pag-uusapan natin yung very common at very timely sa market. Okay? Alright. Okay. Guys, I will entertain questions later on para hindi tayo maputol kasi para madali nating matapos. Okay. What are the types of financial markets? Number 1, sino familiar dito? Cryptocurrency. Okay? So ano ba si cryptocurrency? Alam nyo ba dati guys, guilty ako. Sino dito guilty na akala nyo scam si cryptocurrency? When I heard before of cryptocurrency, akala ko talaga scam. Kasi ano bang value ng cryptocurrency? Saan nanggaling? Posible yung posibleng mawala bigla, posibleng, 'di ba, maglaho, 'di ba? It's like a bubble na anytime it can pop. May mga ganun eh, especially lumabas to or nag-start to 2010. I was around first year college that time. Ano ba yung cryptocurrency? Scam na naman ba yan? 'Di ba? Sino dito may mga ganyang pag-iisip? Or until now, iniisip nyo scam si cryptocurrency. Naku po, I tell you, okay? If you still think that cryptocurrency is a scam, you're missing half of your life. Or as in, you're missing out big things. Katulad ko. Sabi ko, huli na pala ako. Pero anyways, it's never too late. So what is cryptocurrency? Read this with me. Crypto is a digital money where you can use or invest it online. It's not a printed money like pesos or dollars, but it's created and stored on the internet using a computer code which we call blockchain. Ano mo yung blockchain, coach, no? Napaka hirap intindihin si crypto actually kung hindi ka magdi-deep dive. To simply explain, no, si blockchain, it's like more of a ledger or ganito na lang, para siyang familiar kayo ng ledger or Google Sheets na may mga codes, ganyan. But it's basically stored online. Okay? Hindi mo alam kung sino yung gumawa. As in, maganda siya kasi hindi siya controlled by governments and the banks. May good thing din doon eh. Kasi wala nang mga fees, 'di ba? Na-experience nyo ba yan guys? Magde-deposit kayo sa bangko ng 5 million, 20 million isang araw, hindi magtatanong si bangko. Kung sinong naka-experience niyan, try nyo mag-withdraw ng 1 million isang araw or 5 million in a day. Nako po, si bangko magtatanong pa, bakit saan mo gagamitin to, sir? Ano ba yung paglalaanan mo ng pera na to? 'Di ba pera mo, pero ang daming kine-question sa iyo na sila lang din naman yung yumayaman. Okay? Now, what are the types of cryptocurrency? I will not big dive na kasi more of general discussion lang yung gagawin natin dito, guys. Pero I want you to understand na it's not a scam, okay? But meron lang mga tao na nagte-take advantage ng mga pagkakakitaan ngayon. Okay? Yung mga nagko-comment na ito, yumaman ako dahil kasi kay ganito, dahil ganyan, tapos hindi nyo chinek yung account, nagpadala naman kayo ng pera, that's a big no-no. If you want to involve in cryptocurrency, you go to decentralized exchange or mga centralized exchange wherein, mention ko lang ha, wala akong bayad sa mga brokers na to. Si Bybit, okay din yan. Si Binance, those are legit talaga na mga exchange, okay? Now, ano ba yung mga coins na nasa cryptocurrency? Kasi pag sinasabi natin cryptocurrency, minsan parang ganito, yung cryptocurrency, parang sinasabi nating Bitcoin or parang ganito, bumili ka ng Colgate pero ang brand is bumili ka ng paano ba, nalito tuloy ako. Bumili ka ng Colgate pero gusto mo close up. Bumili ka ng EQ pero ibang brand yung mo, 'di ba? Si diaper, ang brand is EQ. Si toothpaste, ang brand is Colgate or close up. Okay? Now, si crypto guys, meron siyang tatlo. Either utility coins or etong mga major coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, may mga tokens din like USDT, and meron din meme coins. Okay? Si meme coins, recently nag-launch din si President Donald Trump ng Trump coin. Naalala nyo yun? Bumili naman lahat, no? Now, si coin guys, yung utility coins, may purpose siya. Pwede siyang ipambili actually guys, si Philippines lang ang very laid back when it comes to cryptocurrency. Other countries, sino dito may experience, nagbayad ka ng isang bagay gamit mo Bitcoin. But as you notice, sila paring Hive, yung mga nagbebenta ng Rolex, nag-a-accept sila ng cryptocurrency as payment. Guys, makinig ka. Darating yung time na hindi na tayo gagamit ng fiat money or physical money. Everything is gonna be online one day. And when that happens, I hope hindi ka pa huli. Alright? Sa US, sa Singapore, sa Japan, pwedeng pambayad ang Bitcoin, guys. Si USDT, 'di ba? Ang income namin sa mga coaches dito, familiar kayo kay USDT. Alright? These are coins. Okay, thank you Coach Jedeline. Sa UAE, pwede na pambayad sa real estate. Cash. Ganon sila updated. Habang tayo dito, very takot pa mag-crypto, 'di ba? So, guys, take into consideration. Times are changing. Huwag kang magpapahuli. If I were you, pwede kang bumili ng Bitcoin. Okay, it's the digital gold right now. Kung wala kang gold, 'di ba? Usually gold na alam natin yung mga gold na ganito, 'di ba? Ito, mga gold. This is the digital gold, si Bitcoin. But be careful, si tokens, yung mga coins na mga utility coins, that is good. But for meme coins, be very careful. Kasi yung basis niya is more of hype. Bumili ka kasi ang ingay na si Trump coin, sobrang lumakas. Bumili ka at a higher price, binenta mo at a lower price, lugi ka pa din. Again, it's more of buy and sell. Alam nyo ba si Bitcoin, 2018, it was just, sabihin ko sa inyo did you know si Bitcoin, nasa around $0.30 lang siya last 2010. How much is $0.30? Sige nga, tulungan nyo ako. $0.30 times ngayon, 2010 siguro, let's just say, give it 52 pesos. Nasa around magkano? Guys, help me out. Help me out. Okay? Sir Anthony, that's another topic na naman. But don't worry kasi madidiscuss siguro natin yan on the next upcoming mga discussion. Let's just say 52 ang value nun times 0.30. That's just around 15 pesos. But right now, tama si Sir Sonny, nasa around 108 to 110,000 dollars ang Bitcoin. Can you just imagine 56 times 110,000? That's 6,160,000. Imagine buying a Bitcoin, one Bitcoin last 2018. Right now, bilyonaryo ka na kung marami kang binili that time. Guys, darating yung time na si Bitcoin na yung isa sa even countries right now. Yung mga gold, yung ibang reserves nila sa country nila, instead of holding it, they're buying cryptocurrencies and most especially Bitcoin. Okay? Now, move on tayo. Another is the stock market. Okay? Si stock market naman guys, it's like a big store or marketplace where people buy and sell shares of companies. Okay? Wow, naka-mastercard na din si Bitcoin. Hindi ko makita yan, coach Pero anyways, grabe. Grabe doon sa UAE, no? Imagine, UAE yan. Yan yung pinaka-advance sa lahat. Most tallest, most biggest, lahat. Okay? Now, guys, when you buy a stock or you're buying a small part of a company, you become a part owner of that company. Sino dito meron ng mga binibili sa stock market? Okay? Katulad ko, I bought dito when it was around 17 pesos per share. Huli na. Ngayon nasa 2 pesos na lang. But what is the best time to buy? When is the best time to buy? Buy at a lower price, sell at a higher price. Okay? Now, sino dito may mga nasa call na or sa BDO, mga banks right now guys, meron na si Jollibee. Hindi ko lang alam yung updated shares, pero right now kasi since lahat ng tao nasa crypto, napag-iiwanan talaga si stock market. Okay? Pero it's still a good thing, no? Until now, hindi ko pa nagagalaw yung stock market ko, but it's a wait and see. Okay? Kung hindi ka magte-trade, medyo siya long-term game siya. Bili ka, ngayon siguro tag 2 pesos per share, after 5 to 10 years, that's gonna be multiplied already. Okay? But, dito guys, sa stock market, per company, may tinatawag tayong types of chip. Okay? So, be very careful. Okay? Sa stock market po, if you're in the Philippines, COL Philippines is very common yan. Meron din sa bank, BDO, meron yan. Excuse me, even your insurances, yung Life, Manulife, meron yan silang investment sa forex at stock market. Bumibili yung pera nila, yung pera na binibigay natin sa mga insurances natin, they also involve it in the stock market para lumaki. Okay? So may tinatawag tayo na blue chip. Ito yung pinakamaganda na bilhin. Stable, reliable, and low to moderate risk like SM, Jollibee, Apple, no? Apple, hindi to Apple naman sanas guys, yung Apple talaga as a company. No? So, meron ding green chip, merong red chip, yellow chip, purple chip, penny stocks. But guys, very highly recommended by blue chips. If you're not trading, if you just wanna keep or stock or hold for the long term, go for blue chip. Okay, thank you Sir Ruben. Yes, meron din San Miguel. Marami actually. Marami. You just need to at least check it out. And imagine, stockholder ka sa kumpanya. 'Di ba? Ang sarap kaya isipin, uy, stockholder ako. Okay? Stockholder ako ng San Miguel. Stockholder ako ng Jollibee kasi may shares ako sa stock market. You can buy. Okay? You can buy. Pwede yan. Okay? Baka hindi mo lang alam ha. Now, third, okay? Hindi na natin i-discuss lahat guys kasi kulang isang araw pag-usapan natin to. Third, it's the forex market. Okay? So, short for foreign exchange. It's where the people buy and sell different currencies like US dollars, euros, Japanese yen. And guys, did you know that foreign exchange is the largest market in the world? And it's open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Mas malaki pa po si forex kay stocks at kay cryptocurrency. Okay? Now, good thing lang is it's traded, as we speak, 7 trillions of dollars every day are traded here sa foreign exchange. Since it's a global market, each country, guys, meron yang currency. Ano yung currency natin sa Pinas? Paki-type. Ano yung currency natin sa Pinas? Alright? Guys, wala ba tayong mga kamay dyan? Baka natulog na tong iba dito. PHP or peso, thank you sa mga nagre-reply. Yes, okay, meron tayo. Yung currency natin is Philippine peso. It's the buy and sell of peso. Parang ganito siya, guys. 'Di ba? Kung makikita nyo on a physical aspect, no, sa airport, sa bangko, may makita kayong ganyan kasi ito yung pinaka-traditional way of foreign exchange. If you're in the Philippines, you can't use your US dollar, kailangan mong papalitan yan. And the exchange, meron niyang gap wherein dun kumikita ang mga banks. And same din guys sa digital aspect ng foreign exchange. Okay? Kasi pwede kang kumita pag tumaas. Kunwari, bumili ka at a lower price like 50 pesos pa si dollar, binenta mo at a higher price. Okay? Imagine, if you have $1,000, that time na 50 pesos pa si dollars, tapos, 50 pesos pa yung value ni $1, after a year, naging 58 siya, that means, meron kang magkano? Meron kang income na 58,000 from 8,000 pesos, tama? Meron kang $8,000, 'di ba? Okay, now, next, okay? If the price goes down sa forex, will you still make money? Yes. When you are actively trading, guys, just like in the stock market and in the cryptocurrency, pwede mong sabayan yan. Kasi meron pong dalawang position in the trading field or industry. Either pwede mo siyang i-short or pwede mo siyang i-long. And guys, did you know that there is a person named George Soros? Did you know that he earned 1 billion pesos last 1992, on the year 1992, kasi sinort niya ang British pound. Imagine, dahil sa sobrang laki ng forex market, kumita lang naman siya ng isang gabi ng 1 billion pesos on the year 1992. Magkano kaya ang value niyan ngayon? 'Di ba? Isang araw, ganun kalaki yung pwedeng kitain sa forex, guys. Tapos ikaw or 'di ba? I mean, sorry to say this, tapos tayo ang mindset natin is scam pa din si forex. Nako po. Tapos sasabihin mo sa anak mo, sa kapatid mo, scam si forex, scam si crypto, scam si stock market. Guys, wake up. Napag-iiwanan na tayo, wag tayong pumayag. Napakasipag ng mga Pinoy, kailangan this time, let's do it the smart way. Okay? Now, ito yung market size comparison sa forex, sa stock market at sa crypto. Sa forex kasi guys, it's the largest, no? Si stock naman, massive siya but not as large as the volume with forex, okay? So more of sa forex kasi currency, si stock is more of shares, and si crypto, youngest and most volatile of the three. Okay? But 24/7 to siya. Now, ito yung estimated daily trading volume, guys. Si forex 7.5 plus trillions per day, not per month, not per week, not per year, every day. Guys, alam nyo, ngayon lang ako nakarinig ng quadrillion per year. Meron palang term na quadrillion. Billion lang yung alam ko, trillion lang. When you say quadrillion, grabe. Laki talaga ng market sa forex. Sabi nga ni coach, kukurot lang tayo dyan. Ayos ba yun? Sa stock market naman, nasa 100 billion to 300 billion. Tapos, every year, nasa 100 trillion. And, sa crypto is malaki din. Okay? So, grabe. Okay? Now, I'm almost done. The good thing with our Forex community, guys, mas mapapadali natin yung journey nyo kasi meron tayong mga tools. Hindi ka na maghuhula-hula pa na ito yung gagawin, ito siya, dito ka magte-trade. Lahat guided na kasi may AI tools tayo, may mga signals, may mga videos, may mga live trading. Ito pinaka-favorite ko with Abdallah, yung master trader natin, malapit na 9:30. Okay, huwag kayong mag-alala, malapit na ako matapos. Sumasabay tayo sa trade niya. At the same time, tinitrain tayo how he does or how he takes his trade. So yun yung pinakanagandahan ko sa community natin, guys. Since Forex is the largest financial market in the world, kukurot ka lang dito. Pagkakurot mo, bili ka sa stocks. Pagkakurot mo, bili ka ng maraming Bitcoin. Ganun lang. Ang daming ways and means para umasenso. Ang daming vehicles para umasenso. But as for us, we see Forex as one. Then, saka mo nakurutin yung mga iba. Ayos ba tayo doon? Alright? Now, next. Malapit ako matapos, okay? What are the types of traders in the market? You have to know what fits for you. Kailangan alamin mo, okay? Kasi yung iniisip natin, pag Forex, dapat everyday nasa nakatutok ako sa market. Yun yung pagkaintindi ko din dati. Okay, dapat talaga matalino ako sa math, dapat geto ganyan. Ang dami kong excuses kasi hindi ako nag-dig-in, hindi ako nag-aral, hindi ko inaral. Okay? But I'll share to you the types of traders in the market. Okay? Apat to. Okay? We have the scalpers, we have the day traders, the swing traders, and position traders. Since marami po tayo dito, ako, just like me, I'm an entrepreneur. Marami din dito mga nagtatrabaho abroad. Meron din mga nagtatrabaho dito sa Pilipinas. tingnan mo kung ano yung fit sa'yo. Instead of making an excuse, hindi to para sa akin yung trading kasi ganito, ganyan. Hanap ka ng solusyon kung ano yung pwedeng ma-fit sa'yo. Excuse me. Ayos ba tayo doon? Okay. Now, ano ba yung time frame pag nasa scalping? Okay? Or you're a scalper trader. Okay? Ang trading time for scalping, very short lang. Kahit 5 minutes lang, guys, pwede ka nang mag-trade. And good news, you can even use your cellphone. Kami guys, mostly sa amin dito, since we are scalpers, hindi pwede na talagang you have a very active lifestyle. Pwede sa'yo kahit 5 minutes ka lang mag-trade. Okay? Kahit 5 minutes ka lang mag-trade, walang problema yon. You can do scalping. So coach, pwede ba na ganun lang din gawin ko? Yes. Now, you will be considered as a scalper trader. Okay? Si Abdallah guys, for how many years? 5 minutes lang. Every day, minaster niya yung strategy niya. And good news, tinuro niya sa atin. Kasi every trader guys, meron yan silang secret recipe. And yun yung advantage sa atin na nasa community na if you're officially enrolled kasi tinuturo sa atin kung paano natin kukopyahin yung trading style niya. Marami kasi nagsasabi, paano pag wala si Abdallah? Paano pag ganito? Hindi ka na din kikita? No. You can still earn. You can still do it by yourself. Kasi nga, alam mo na paano kasi tinuturo sa atin. But with the help of Abdallah, mas magiging confident ka pa. Confident ka na, andyan pa si Abdallah nagla-live trade, makikita mo mismo araw-araw, halos araw-araw, mas magiging confident ka pa kasi sasabay ka, meaning may confirmation. Meaning, nakopy mo na yung style ni Abdallah. Alright? Now, if you're a day trader, nasa around 15 minutes to 4 hours. Okay? Active lang, no? Swing trading or you're a swing trader at least 4 hours or days or weeks. Nag-hold ka ng trades. Ito, kailangan mo talagang mag-monitor kung anong nangyayari sa bansa, kung anong nangyayari sa economy ng bansa na yan. And position trading, years and months to guys. Nag-hold ka talaga ng position mo. Ina-anticipate or forecast mo on a long-term basis. Question, what fits for you right now? Anong klaseng trader ka or anong klaseng trading style yung fit sa'yo right now? Can you comment on the comment section? Anong trading style or what type of trader are you? Okay? Ano sa tingin mo yung fit sa'yo? Scalper. Okay. Day trader. Thank you. Yan, scalper. Scalper, napakarami sa atin. You know what? Huwag mong maliitin ang pag-scalp ha. Baka sabihin, hindi naman ako legit na trader nun pag nag-scalp. Guys, si Abdallah, magkano kinikita araw-araw? Huwag kang mag-alala. You might start from there, but eventually, you can evolve. You can grow. Huwag mong pangarapin na sobrang galing mo na agad. Position trader talaga ako. Gaito talaga agad ako. Look what fits for you and kung ano yung ma-apply mo agad para mas madali kang matuto. Merong mga swing trader. Thank you. Ayan. Thank you so much. No? So, last na to guys. And I'm done. Grabe, ang dali ni Sir MJ. Thank you, Lord. May mga palaro tayo guys mamaya. May freebies tayo na ibibigay sa mga mananalo. Hold on. So, eto guys, kung kanina, more of the, ano ba to? More of generic ideas, more of additional learnings. Dito guys, let's talk then more of the attitude side. Kasi guys, for me lang ha, I don't know if you will believe me, hindi ko din kayo kukumbinsihin. In life kasi kahit saan ka ilagay, it's more of 80% attitude, 20% skills. Kasi kahit even ang galing-galing mo na, pero yung attitude mo, very egoistic ka, very ungrateful ka, hindi ka open to learnings, kahit saan ka pa ilagay, hindi ka aasenso talaga. Even in the financial market. Parang ganito, nag-a-apply ka ng trabaho, magsisimula ka talaga sa maliit. Bakit sa forex trading or bakit sa financial market gusto mo na yumaman agad? You have to understand that there is a process. Okay? Pag Pag ikaw yung tipong tao na ayaw mo nang matuto, wala nang madadagdag wala nang space or hindi ka na empty cup, I tell you, mahihirapan ka talaga. Even in the financial market. Kasi bawal ang spoon feeding dito, guys. When I say spoon feeding, ako nasanay ako niyan eh. I have a business before na talagang binibaby ko sila, ganito paggawa, eto, as into yung tipong binigyan mo na ng pagkain, kulang na lang hunguyain mo, saka mo pa ibibigay sa kanya. We don't do that here. Please, okay? Meron tayong mga trainings na binibigay, learn to search and look for the answers. Kaya nga may ChatGPT din eh, kaya nga may Google. Ngayon sa community natin binibigay na. But then again, what are the 4 pillars of a successful trader? Guys, check, ano tayo? Self-check tayo. Self-check. Okay? Kailangan i-check mo if meron ka nito. Okay? Number 1, decide or the decision making. Number 2 is the commitment. Number 3, evaluation. And number 4 is the refinement. Sa evaluation, you can call this as assessment. Sa refinement, adjustment. Okay. Ano ba yung sinasabi mo, coach? Bakit tayo magdi-discuss ng ganyan? Kasi nga, sa financial market, guys, ang strategies, ang skills, it's always there. We can always teach you, ganito yung style ni Abdallah, ganito yung gold sniper ni Coach Nars, ganito yung mga bagay-bagay, specific na. But, if yung attitude mo, hindi ka open, hindi ka willing, madali kang ma-discourage. Pag natalo ka lang, iyakin ka na. Don't expect na bababago yung buhay mo kasi success, sorry to say this, I hope I don't offend anyone, success is not for the faint-hearted. Success are for those people who are willing to go sa process. Okay? So when you say decide, okay, if you want to dig dive more on the financial market, you have to decide. You have to really ask yourself, natanong mo na ba yung sarili mo? Oh, Grace. Sorry, Miss Grace ha. Nakita ko kasi nag-comment ka. Ito yung mga gusto kong student, mga nagko-comment. Okay. Grace, tanungin mo sarili mo, Grace, ready ka na ba? Pagpapasok ka dyan, hindi yan pwede haw-saw lang ha. Hindi pwede, ano lang. You have to decide. It's not a maybe, it's a yes or a no. Papasok ako, yes. Hindi ako papasok, no. 'Di ba? Kesa mag-maybe ka, sayang yung oras mo. You have to decide. Okay? Coach, mag-e-enroll ako, I want to learn. Yes, decide. Ay, wag yung tipong, ano kasi, na-scam kasi ako dati. Tatanungin ko muna asawa ko ha, tatanungin ko muna kapatid ko, tatanungin ko muna nanay ko. Naku po, success is in your hand, wala sa ibang tao. Alam mo, nung nagsimula ako dito, si Miss Marge, si Coach Marge, kasama din natin sa community, she also has doubts kasi ang daming beses na ako na na-scam. But I didn't care. Sabi ko, wala namang mawawala sa akin kasi academy to eh. Hindi naman ako mag-i-invest. Ang iniisip ko, magbabayad ako kasi hindi ko to inenrollan nung college. Hindi nga ako nagreklamo magkano ginastos ng magulang ko nung college. 19 years old pa ako, wala na akong allowance pero tinapos ko yung college. Pero wala namang trabaho nag-aantay. 'Di ba? Ako pa naman nag-apply. So I have to decide. Hindi pwede asawa mo, hindi pwede anak mo, hindi pwede ibang tao. Decide on your own. Kaya nga binigyan tayo ng Diyos ng kanya-kanyang isipan eh. 'Di ba? Dito para you decide. Okay? But I understand na you have to consider your wife or your partner or yung anak mo, pero consider lang naman. Ikaw pa din ang last say. Kasi kung sila din pala magde-decide, yung buhay mo sa kanila na din nakadepende. Okay? Second, you have to commit. When you say commit, question, para siyang, 'di ba? Sabi nga pag ikakasal ka or you're into a relationship, hindi pwede na sa times na okay lang andyan ka. Kahit sa panahon na hindi mo gusto yung nangyayari sa iyo, magstay ka. Hindi yung tipong ay kumita ako tapos na-lose ako, lipat na naman ako na ibang pagkakakitaan. Lipat muna ako sa crypto. Na-lose ka na naman sa crypto, lipat na naman ako sa stock market. Nag-lose ka naman sa stock market, balik na naman ako sa forex. Hindi ganun. Okay? You have to commit sa learnings mo. Okay? Natalo ka, learn from it. 'Di ba? Hindi mo gusto yung nangyari, baka may purpose 'yan. Baka may kailangan kang i-adjust or i-evaluate. Okay? Kasi kunwari, natalo ka sa trading mo. That means ano ba? Kailangan mo na bang mag-stop? No. It's an opportunity for you to evaluate or assess yourself. Kaya pala natalo ako, hindi kasi ako nag-stick sa trading plan ko eh. Kaya pala natalo ako kasi nag-overtrade ako. Kaya pala natalo ako kasi wala akong trading plan. Natalo ako kasi instead na nag-double tap na, sino nakakaalam nun? Nag-double tap na, hindi pa ako sumabay kasi first tap pa lang naglagay na ako 'di ba? It's kailangan mong i-evaluate yung mga pagkukulang at evaluate mo din yung mga tama. Ay, tama ako dun, kaya kumita ako. Rather than just winning and just losing without assessing things. 'Di ba? Yung tipong parang ganito, bakit ka pinromote ni boss? Hindi naman swerte-swerte yan eh. May basis yan. Even in life, even in the financial market, may basis. Okay? Kailangan mong i-evaluate yung sarili mo. Kailangan i-evaluate mo yung ginagawa mo. And last but not the least, since nag-evaluate ka, you have to refine. You have to adjust. Wala pala akong trading plan, kaya nag-overtrade ako. O di gagawa ka ngayon ng trading plan. Ang nangyari, nanalo ka lang, natalo ka, nanalo, natalo, walang rationale. Hindi mo naiintindihan kung ano yung nangyari sa'yo. Wala kang pattern, wala kang blueprint, wala kang sinusunod. Kaya it's a never-ending journey. Natalo, nanalo, natalo, nanalo. Yes, totoo yun. Ganun naman talaga sa trading. But you have to understand and know kung ano yung kailangan mong i-improve. O kunwari, search ka ng search sa YouTube ng mga videos about forex trading, crypto, gaito, ganyan. Tapos, hindi mo naman ina-apply. Okay? Or, nalilito ka na, o nag-decide ka ngayon na sige mag-enroll na lang ako, tapos ganun pa din yung ginagawa mo, paulit-ulit pa din, you have to refine, kailangan mo pala ng trading journal. O di gawa ka ng trading journal. 'Di ba? So, in life, okay? May mga questions later on guys ha. In life guys, very simple. Sa relationship, sa family, sa work, you have to decide. Into the financial markets, you have to decide. Ano ba? Crypto? Forex? Stocks? Di pwede lahat pagsasabayin. Mababaliw ka nun. Okay? You have to decide. You have to commit. Pag pinasok mo yan, okay, pag Forex ako, eto muna aralin ko for 1 year or 2. Okay? You have to evaluate. Okay, andito na ako sa process na to. Eto na yung progress ko. Ano pa yung kailangan kong aralin? San ba ako nagkamali? San ba yung kailangan ko pang improve? Ano ba yung mga tamang ginawa ko din? Para alam ko na next time. And last but not the least, refine or adjust. Yung mga alam mo, hindi pwedeng alam mo lang. Kailangan mong i-apply. Kailangan mong gawin. Kailangan mong i-adjust. Alright? Ayos ba tayo dun? Alright? Now, conclusion. I'm done. I hope you learned something. May palaro pa tayo guys. Hold on. May palaro pa tayo. May enjoy kayo dito. It's either you innovate or you evaporate. Guys, times are changing. Artificial intelligence, ang mga AI is replacing human works. Baka wag naman sana gumising ka isang araw, nag-lay off na yung kumpanya no, ang daming nawala kasi pinalitan na ng robot or ng AI. If you don't act now, if hindi ka willing na matuto ng mga bagong bagay sa buhay mo, chances are mapag-iwanan ka. Chances are baka gigising ka na lang one day, wag naman sana, na wala na yung opportunity at nahuli ka na. Alright? Wag naman sana. But I believe lahat ng andito, it's never too late. Hindi pa huli. Kaya nga andito kayo. Naniniwala ako, nagstay ka until the end. Nagstay ka until the end kasi yung puso mo is very willing and open and you are not too late. Tama si Chuchi. It's never too late. It's never too late. You still have the chance. I believe that each one of you still have the chance na matuto, kumita, at sabi nga ni Coach, kumurot sa forex, sa financial market, sa crypto, sa stock market. Alright? Kaya mo. Wag kang mag-doubt sa sarili mo. You're 19, kaya mo. Meron nga tayo dito 60 plus eh. Alright? It's never too late. Yung mga 19 years old, mas kaya pa nila yan. Okay? Late is better than never. You know what, guys? The perfect time is not yesterday. The perfect time is not tomorrow. The very best perfect time is today. Now. Ngayon. Type mo nga today. Type mo nga today. Yan, I love the attitude of Sir Timoteo. 56, kaya pa. Yes, so it's never too late. All right? Now, guys, let's play the game. Okay? Game time, guys. Okay, type nyo ngayon, okay? Top 3. Sa top 3, meron akong pa-freebie sa inyo kung sino yung mananalo. Message me later, ha? Game time. So, open or punta kayo sa browser nyo. Guys, go to quizzes.com. Okay, quizzes.com. Wag kahit di nyo na itatype yung HTTPS, okay? Go to quizzes.com. Okay? Go to quizzes.com and write enter code 649802. Maglalaro tayo, guys. Go to quizzes.com. Itong nakita nyo, quizzes.com/join. Sorry, kulang pala. quizzes.com/join. Okay, maglalaro tayo. Okay? quizizz.com/join. Okay, start ko muna pala. Start ko muna pala. Waiting for participants. Sorry, wala pa palang participants. Makikita ko dito. Yan, tinype ni Coach Marge. Sorry, quizzes.com/join and enter code 649802. Okay, 649802. Ayan, 649802. Merong /join yan, ha? Quizzes. Okay, naandito na si Nivel. Yan, galing. Exciting. Nivel, si JR. Quizzes.com/join. Yung merong /join, ayan, andito na si Daisy, si Al, si Robilyn, si Natori, si Marian, si Maricar, si J. Martin, si Mary. Quizzes.com. Okay, yung ano guys, quizizz.com/join. Okay, click nyo yan guys. Okay, and the code is 649802. Nasa 14 participants na tayo. Nasa 129 tayo, guys. Habol tayo sa mga gustong maglaro. Okay, may pa-quiz tayo, guys. Mag-enjoy tayo tonight and may pa-freebies tayo. Ayan, 19 participants already. Join. Okay, quizzes.com/join. Quizzes.com/join or you can even scan the QR code na andyan sa screen. Merong QR code dyan. Ayan, 20 participants. Let's go. Si Record let's go now. Ayan, okay. Okay na ba? Countdown tayo. You can scan the QR, guys. 23 participants. Habol. Okay, 10. 9. Ito lang bang 24 participants yung gusto? 8. 7. Okay? 6. Pabutan natin ng 30, guys. 5. Scan QR code if you want to. Quizzes.com/join. 4. 30. Let's make this 30. Come on, guys. Let's participate para mag-enjoy tayo tonight. 4. 29 na. 3. May isa pa ba hahabol? Ayan. 2. Driving, wag naman sa driving. Okay lang. I totally understand. May habol pa. Okay. Let's make this 30. Come on. Ano lang dyan, guys. Pa-enjoy lang din tayo. Alright, 30. Let's start. Okay, guys. Wag nyong i-exit yan kasi makakakita kayo ng mga choices. And choose the right answer. Okay? Choose the right answer. Again, guys, my questions and choose the right answer. Okay? Start na tayo. 3, 2, 1. Alright. Go. Okay? First question. Okay? First question. Number 1 question. It's a type of digital money that exists only online. You can hold it or put it in your wallet. Anong sagot? pwede kayong maglagay dyan guys ha. Average time. First question is 11 seconds. May mga sagot na ba? Okay? Second question, okay? Second question, may mga nakikita. Doon kayo mag-comment sa or magsagot sa ano nyo guys ha. May mga sumasagot na. Okay? May makita nyo dyan kung tama yung sagot nyo or mali. Second question, it's like a big store or marketplace where you buy or sell shares of companies. BDO, stock market, cryptocurrency, forex. Sige nga. Number 3, question. Move tayo. O yun, mga sumasagot. Oh. It's the market where people buy and sell different currencies like US dollars, euros, Japanese yen. Forex ba? Cryptocurrency, XAUUSD, or US30. Okay? Bibilis mag-answer. Type of trader that trades on a 5-minute to 15-minute time frame. Swing trader, position trader, buy and sell, or scalper. Yan. Alright, guys, few minutes. 1 minute na lang. 1 minute. Okay, ang bilis. Ang bilis sumagot ng mga andito. Ayan. Patapos na tayo, guys. Alright, we're about to end na. Okay? Countdown na tayo. Ayos na ba lahat? Okay? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, guys. This is our top 3. Ito po sila. Ang dami palang nag-join, no? May kita ko yung iba hindi pa sumasagot eh. Guys, congratulations to the 38 participants, and out of 38, guys, ang top 3 natin, congratulations to Natori, Grace, and Ronnie. Screenshot ko lang guys para mano ko. Please message me if you're Natori, Grace, and Ronnie. So, I will give you konting pahalipay. Katuwaan lang. Iba yung kay Natori, iba kay Grace, iba kay Ronnie yung ibibigay ko. Alright? I hope you learn guys. Wow, perfect nila 10. Wow, thank you so much guys. Alright? So guys, if you learned something tonight, maraming salamat. Please do share your learning sa GC natin. If you're still on the free GC, message nyo dyan kung ano yung mga natutunan nyo. The more you share your learnings, the more mas maaalala nyo. Repetition is the key to learning. Alright? Thank you so much guys. Maraming salamat. Picture muna tayo. Alright. Picture muna. Open your cams. Ang mag-o-open ng cam, Papaldo this month. Alright. Alright. Ayan. Mag-o-open ng cam, Papaldo this month. Nag-open lahat bigla eh. 1, 2, 3, smile. Alright. Isa pa. Okay? Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Second page. 1, 2, 3, smile. Third page, 1, 2, 3, smile. Fourth page, 1, 2, 3, smile. And fifth page, 1, 2, 3, smile. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng andito. I wish you and I hope God will bless you more. Alright? God bless po sa lahat. Ingat po kayo.